It's so soft and fluffy. Reminds me of a teddy bear I had when I was a child. Okay, enough of that.
Good morning. Today we are on the panels of the van, so I've just quickly checked which ones we need to do. We're going to lay them out inside because, as you can tell, there's a storm about to start and we can't be outside. So we're going to lay out the carpet, the four-way stretch carpet in the lounge. We've put down a protective layer for making sure that the floor's protected. We're going to get the panels done. I'm going to glue them so that they're all ready to pop into place when we've done the stretch carpet actually on the pillars and metalwork, but that can't be done today because, as you can tell, we can't have the doors open in the van. So let's get started on that. So here we have our protective layer on the floor. We've got our spray glue ready, scissors and a rolling pin because we forgot to have a roller. So we've got a ball.
Don't forget the tennis ball.
And we've got a rolling pin, which I can see somewhere.
I'm dizzy now.
Up there. Mel's gone dizzy.
I've got vertigo. I keep going dizzy because I've got an ear infection.
Yeah, so
Stop doing that.
blessing him, he just keeps forgetting what he's doing. So Mel, how do you determine which is the front and which is the back?
Back. Well, the back hasn't got any texture to it. You can see it's kind of silvery and flat. But the front is more fluffy. Nice.
I've already cut this off of the roll that I bought. I bought 10 metres of this, and it's either called wheat or barley, I can't remember, but every website has different names.
It's so much nicer than just having the regular black or grey auto carpet that seems to be the favourite. This is much nicer. Look at that colour.
So this is the one that Mel did earlier. As you can see, he's pinched all the corners round. So we let that set so that you've got all these nice little folds here, and rollered all of the edges, front and back, and also on the top edge as well. And then you let it set, and then later you can snip these with some scissors and fold down and take away that slight overhang so that you get a nice flush finish.
It's so soft and fluffy. Reminds me of a teddy bear I had when I was a child.
Oh, did you even have a teddy bear? You did? Oh, that's okay then.
Okay, enough of that.
What's he like? Mel's got his indoor shoes on as well, everybody. So if you see him in flip-flops and socks, it's because he's got his indoor shoes on. He's a feral cat. He's not used to being indoors. So they're all waiting for 24 hours to be fully stuck before we attempt to sort out all of these beautiful little corners.